The Hubble Space Telescope is a big idea that is named after the American astronomer Edwin Hubble. Hubble profoundly changed astronomers' understanding of the nature of the universe by demonstrating the existence of other galaxies beside the Milky Way. When finally launched from the Space Shuttle in 1990, scientists found that the main mirror had been ground incorrectly, severely compromising the telescope's capabilities. However, after a servicing mission in 1993, the telescope was restored to its intended quality. Hubble's position outside the Earth's atmosphere allows it to take extremely sharp images with almost no background light. Hubble's ultra-deep field image, for instance, is the most detailed visible light image of the universe's most distant objects ever made. Many Hubble observations have led to breakthroughs in astrophysics, such as accurately determining the rate of expansion of the universe. Astronomers have been given an unprecedented look at an act of galactic cannibalism, as a black hole at the centre of a nearby galaxy devours a smaller galaxy. The images of a voracious black hole gobbling the remains of a smaller galaxy were captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. Scientists involved in the project spoke of monsters lurking at the centre of galaxies. The cannibal is a black hole at the centre of the giant galaxy Centaurus A, just 10 million light-years from Earth. A light-year is about 6 trillion miles.
There's now very strong evidence from the Hubble Space Telescope and from many other telescopes actually that there are monsters lurking at the centers of many galaxies, supermassive black holes that from time to time swallow material from their surrounding environment. And when they do that, they emit prodigious amounts of energy.
The suspected black hole, the existence of these matter-sucking phenomenon has not been absolutely confirmed, is shown feeding on the remnants of a smaller spiral galaxy that scientists suspect collided with Centaurus A. Black holes are notoriously hard to confirm because their intensely powerful gravitational fields are so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. Moreover, astronomer Dr. Anne Kinney says photographs suggest the spiral galaxy might be just the most recent lunch that the black hole has had. In the night sky, Centaurus A is located near the backbone of the constellation Centaur. More importantly to astronomers, the merged entity is the closest active galaxy to Earth. Other active galaxies are hundreds of millions or even billions of miles away.
We don't understand the feeding very well. That's what makes this observation so interesting, is that that long jet looks like it's a long lifetime sort of a thing, something that took a very long period of time, and yet this disk that they have observed with NICMOS is very small. So it looks like it might be just the most recent lunch that the black hole has had.
This proximity means astronomers will have a closer laboratory to study the behaviour of supermassive black holes fueled by galactic collisions, according to scientists at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Space Telescope Science Institute. NASA has announced that it will extend the life of the Hubble Space Telescope until at least 2013 in a decision that involves a potentially risky Space Shuttle mission. The Hubble's successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, will not be ready until well after the 2010 scheduled retirement of the Space Shuttle. While Hubble can image in the ultraviolet and visible wavelengths, JWST is limited to the infrared. Scientists say the 16-year-old orbital observatory would function for only 2 or 3 more years without repairs. The big idea of the Hubble Space Telescope is considered by some scientists to be the most important astronomical instrument ever, capturing images of star birth and death, detecting planets outside our solar system, and snapping eye-catching visions of the Milky Way and other galaxies.